affordable dumpster rental in Monahans, Texas. Are you tackling a home renovation project in Monahans, Texas? Transforming your space with fresh walls and new fixtures can be incredibly rewarding. But there's one thing every remodel has in common: the mess. Old drywall, lumber, broken tiles, and outdated fixtures pile up quickly, creating a need for convenient waste disposal. Anyone who's worked on a home improvement project knows that waste accumulates quickly. Each stage of renovation brings its type of debris, whether it's framing from a wall removal, ripped-out cabinetry, or discarded flooring. This can become overwhelming and often a challenge to dispose of efficiently. That's where we come in. Wildcat Site Services LLC provides affordable dumpster rental in Monahans, Texas. We'll deliver it to your driveway, ready for you to fill. Our dumpsters are the perfect solution for managing your renovation waste. Simply toss in all those unwanted materials, and we'll take care of the rest when you're ready. No mess, no hassle. Getting a dumpster is easy. Simply call 432-577-2909 and we'll help you select the perfect size for your renovation. Wildcat Site Services LLC, your reliable partner for a cleaner and safer renovation site. Let's make waste one less worry.